What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger video. Now this review I probably should have been done, like, I ain't gonna lie to you, like last week, but as y'all know, like I tell y'all, like every other video, I'm in school, so I be, it's finals coming up, have to, study for that, do exams and all that good stuff. But hey, I'm here for y'all today with the review in hand with the pair that, like I said, I should have showed y'all like a week, maybe even 2 weeks ago, but it's all good because at the end of the day, no matter when I show these shoes, they can be a classic. Like, I can show them today, I can show them tomorrow, I can show them next year. This sneaker is still a classic. And that shoe that I'm talking about, if you don't already know what they are, but I'm pretty sure you do by the thumbnail, but that's the Black Cement 3s that just dropped about like, I said like 2 weeks ago, something like that. But anyway, as you see the box, nothing crazy with the box. Same box that a lot of Jordans been coming in recently, same little black and red box with the little elephant print all around it. The size tag does read Air Jordan 3 Retro. The colorway is black, fire red, cement gray. It is a size 11, which is my personal size, my true to size, my go-to size, whatever size you want to call it, but this is the size that I do wear. All right, y'all see that right there? All right, boom. So enough about the box. Like I said, nothing special with the box, no special anything with it, just a plain regular box. But y'all ain't here for the box, man, y'all here for the sneakers. And when I tell y'all that these Black Cement 3s are so beautiful in hand, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, I know a lot of y'all probably thinking the 2018 pair is better or like the 2013. By the way, this shoe has retro. So it originally dropped in '88. This shoe retro 6 times after that. This is the 6th pair, or technically the 7th pair of all the time that they had the Black Cement 3s, but this is the 6th pair after the original pair that came out in '88. So this shoe's been around the block a few times, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But in my opinion, they do get kind of better in certain ways and worse in others. But this pair, in my most humble opinion, is not that bad in hand. Honestly, now before y'all get mad and say I'm crazy, y'all trying to like start a riot and find out where I'm at and try to beat me up and all that, this pair might just be better than the 2018 pair. I know that sounds crazy because like people think the 2018 pair with the tumble leather and like the deeper elephant print, like as you can see on this pair, the elephant print isn't that deep. It's kind of like light, kind of, kind of faint a little bit as opposed to the 2018 pair that had that real dark, deep elephant print. But I don't know, man, I kind of like this look a little bit better. Like the softer leather is not tumble, but the leather is soft. Don't get me wrong. When I saw this shoe, I thought the leather was gonna be kind of trash. Like it looked stiff from pictures. It didn't really look that good, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. In hand, these joints feel, they definitely feel good. They don't feel cheap. I don't have any issues with QC. I know I've seen a lot of pairs like they had like scuffs on them already or like major issues with elephant print. Like the shoes were like just inconsistent all throughout, like as far as like the elephant print goes. Like the pair I get, it seems to me like the elephant print is like consistent throughout like both shoes, like the left and right shoe. So I don't see too many issues with that. Overall, the shoe, hey, the shoe hard, man. You can't go wrong with the Black Cement 3s. In my opinion, the Black Cement 3s is probably like top 3 of the 3s. It's not the one, I mean, it's not the 2, it's not the 3s. It's definitely, you know what I'm saying? If it ain't the 2 and the 3, then what can it be? But that's all I'm gonna say. But this shoe is definitely a top tier sneaker. Like it's probably one of my favorite pairs that's ever released when it comes to Jordan 3s. Like might be my #1 Jordan 3 if I'm not mistaken. I'm trying to think, what other Jordan 3 would I put up there with the Black Cement? I guess the white cements. I mean, fire red. So there are a couple good 3s, but it's something about them Black Cement boys, man. These joints, like, they do it for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, this goes into them one of them ones category. Like, not many shoes, even though I got a lot of videos saying that, but not many shoes go into that one of one category or one of them ones category. This is one of them ones, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But all that being said, man, once again, dope sneaker. One of my favorites of the year, because this year, in my opinion, has been kind of dead with shoes, man. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know what's been going on with Jordan brand, but I do see next year a lot more heat is coming out, so I am looking forward to that. But overall, when it comes to these though, like I do like what they did with this pair. I do like the more smooth leather look. I do like it's not as tumbled as the 2018 pair. Like, but once again, if y'all seen my 2018 pair, yeah, I know my pair was cooked. I'll show y'all real quick how them joints look. But so I'm only gonna pull one of these joints out because when I say these joints is cooked, man, they kind of cooked. But as you can see, I did wear these. Like I put time in. These joints they get their fair share of wears out of me, and I'm not complaining. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I wear my sneakers. When you buy shoes, wear your kicks, man. Don't just buy shoes and have them sitting and just collecting dust, man. Wear your sneakers. This is one pair that I did where you can see star loss is definitely there. Stars missing, you know what I'm saying? Major yellowing, creasing on the toe box. The collar is like stretched out a little bit. I don't know what I was doing today. If I was fighting, running, I was doing something, working out, something in these joints, but just know that they got worn. But as you can see, the major difference is, for one, the elephant print. So on the 2024 pair of elephant print, you can see it's like more faint, not as prominent as the elephant print on the 2018 pair that's more deep. So some people are kind of complaining about that, saying that the 2018 pair of elephant print or 2024 elephant print isn't really just up to par as opposed to like the other pairs, which, I mean, honestly, I can see why people wouldn't like the faint elephant print. You know what I'm saying? The deeper look makes the shoe, it kind of makes it pop more. But at the end of the day, this 2024 pair is still, in my opinion, reigns supreme over the 2018 pair. Maybe if this pair was a little bit cleaner, I might have a different opinion, but I don't think I would. I still like this pair a little bit better. The leather, of course, like I said, it feels like it's a lot softer on this pair, if I'm not mistaken. The leather, I don't know, man. It feels kind of more soft on this pair compared to the 2018 pair. Maybe because of the tumbleness or whatever the case may be, but all in all, this pair is great. You know, both pairs, of course, have the Nike Air on the back of it, 2018 and 2024. It's something about that Nike Air, like it has to have that Nike Air. Only difference is I don't have my hang tag on this one, but this one comes with that little plastic hang tag as opposed to like the other one was plastic as well, but it was a thicker plastic. This is like that little, cheap, you can tear it off, throw it in the trash. The other one was more of like a piece you could have, like, like a decoration or something like that, something you can hang on to. It felt like it could be used for something more than just being a hang tag. This one, I'm cutting this out the minute I put this on. For all y'all out there listening, I don't judge, you know what I'm saying? When y'all want to wear y'all shoes, wear them how y'all want to wear them. Don't let nobody tell you how you supposed to wear your shoes, but I just don't care for seeing hang tags on the side of shoes. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just me, I don't know, but when y'all get these shoes and y'all keep the hang tag on, like, it's because y'all think it's a part of the shoe, or like, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing, like, once again, I'm not saying that y'all shouldn't do, because it's your shoe, wear how you want to wear it. But me personally, I just don't like the hang tag on the side. I feel like it should come off once you wear the shoe. Like, when it's not being worn, like, if it's still dead stock, hey, keep the hang tag on, you ain't worn me yet. But I feel like, for me at least, for my wears, the minute I decide to put these on my feet, this hang tag is getting cut off. Like, it's gone. Like, it's no more. It will be no more on this shoe. But with all that being said, wear your shoe how you want to wear your shoes. Don't let anybody say how you're supposed to wear them, because at the end of the day, they're your shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like, Jordan Brand gave us, black cement threes. A lot of people have been asking for them again over the past couple of years. I know me being the person, I've been asking for them because I kind of didn't want to drop no more bread on the 2018 pair again, because, like I said, my pair is cooked. So I was hoping that the 2020, or I don't know what year it came out, but I was hoping that a newer pair would come out in the next couple of years. And lo and behold, the end of 2024, we got the black cement threes once again. So I'm not complaining, even though it has been like 7 retros. But hey, who keeping count, man? I wasn't alive for a few of them, well, really just one of them. But that's besides the point. I was alive for a lot of them, but besides the point, my feet were still growing. So now that I'm a grown man and my shoes don't really grow no more, I can get a pair and keep them for eternity if I want to. So this is one pair that I'm gonna keep in my collection. Don't plan on getting rid of. A beautiful pair, in my opinion. One of the best threes that's ever been made. Top 3 threes of all time. Argue who you want to argue with, but this is definitely one of them ones. So hopefully you was able to cop this pair for retail. I mean, I don't think resale did too much. I'm pretty sure some stores probably still got them on shelves, depending on where you live at. I know there's a lot of pairs that's still sitting right now, like the Fear 4 is still sitting, the Olive 9 sitting. It's a lot of pairs right now. Like, a lot of pairs are really sitting in a lot of stores. Like, I went to Shoe Palace the other day, saw a lot of pairs inside there. And speaking of Shoe Palace, if y'all want me to start doing like mall vlogs and like showing like what's in the store, like shoes that's still sitting, or like shoes that is coming out and stuff, let me know in the comments if y'all want to start seeing stuff like that, because I live by the Galleria, a lot of sneaker stores inside there, a lot of stuff that be dropping inside that mall. So if y'all do want to see stuff like that, man, let me know in the comments if y'all want to start seeing like, little Saturday mall vlogs of what's still sitting in the stores, like that people ain't just buying up like how they would be like in 2018 through like 2020. Well, I think the last time shoes really just sold out for it might have been like 2021, something like that, 2022 maybe. But whatever the case may be, if y'all don't want to see videos like that, let me know down below in the comments, and let me know how y'all feel about these. Did y'all cop these? Did y'all pass on them? Did y'all plan on double back and getting them again? Did y'all like double up on them? How did y'all do these? But with all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel. Like I always tell y'all, I got plenty more videos coming, plenty more stuff showing y'all, more events to go to, more places to go, people to see, shoes to buy, sneakers to review like these. Beautiful, once again, beautiful sneakers. Oh yeah, make sure, man, when y'all watch these videos, don't just watch the video and dip, man. Make sure y'all stay a while. Make sure y'all tell a friend as well. You know, make sure that friend tell another friend, that friend tell another friend. With all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.